Welcome back to L Cloud Technologies. Let me share my screen. Can you hear me, guys? Is it visible?
Sir.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, even I did not stop buckets. I think so. Since yesterday. Since yesterday it is there. Okay, guys. Yeah, yesterday's class we have discussed about versioning and how to create the bucket, how to create the object, and how to delete. Okay, after enabling versions, so how to get it back, how to revert the exactly our objects and all, and related to static website, how to upload the static website and how to access. So next today we are going to discuss about replication. So earlier related to theoretical class, S3 theoretical class, I have also mentioned about replication, right? Replication and classes. Okay, and also access control, I mean say acceleration, transformation and all. Okay, so let's discuss today um, how to create automatically. Earlier actually I just had some kind of comparisons like this, right? Something bucket is there and another bucket is there. So in between, if you transfer one file here and there, so we have two options. One is manual one, and another one is automation. Okay, so we will check if I want to transfer file from Mumbai to some other location, anywhere, something Sydney or somewhere. So if you transfer the file here to, I mean file in the sense object, please try to understand. File from here to here, if you copy, okay, if you copy the file from one location to another location, one region to another region, or if you move the file from one location to another location, so that is to manually how it is working, and automatically automation, if you enable automation, how it is responding. Let's just see practically. Okay, now, okay, I think I would like to delete all the buckets. Delete. See, if you neglect like this, guys, definitely uh, your bill will be increased.
My bill is increased, sir, but it is increased for not gateway.
So I'd like to empty. Yes, it is empty. Delete this. Permanently delete. Delete object. Buckets. What is this? Empty. You can also do from empty itself, and individually you can able to delete. Both way you can do. Okay. Next to this one. Okay. Let me delete all the buckets. Deleted. This one. Delete. deleted. Deleted. Everything got deleted, and now my bucket is, my S3 is empty. So I just would like to create another bucket in my current region. Okay, create bucket, the name something like this is Mumbai, right? I can keep Mumbai only. Mumbai, what is the date today? 19/06/2024. AWS DevOps. Okay, that's it. Something random I'm giving it, guys. Next region, it is in Mumbai. Next let's enable ACL. Next I want to keep public. Uncheck, it is public, and acknowledge it and create bucket. I don't want any backup, guys, just simply creating it. Okay, so it's got created. Yeah, fine, bucket is ready. Let me create one small notepad. Something I will keep welcome to. Something like this, just simply save. Okay, what is the file? Desktop, save. Okay, this is the file I have created. Next I would like to upload the same file in this. See, I want to open the bucket and upload, add file, desktop, this one only, right? I think there is, yes, it got uploaded. Next, that's it, simply upload. So now it's got uploaded. Again I'll go back. This is the file which I uploaded, and see here, guys, there is option copy and move. Okay, I'll copy. Okay, see here, see here, one by one, just destination part. You see this destination part. Currently where we are? Currently we are in Mumbai. So what is the destination part? So we have to copy one location to another location, right? If you want to copy from one location to another location, I have to create bucket somewhere else. Okay, so I will create another bucket also. I don't have any buckets. Create one bucket. Can I take name Sydney? Oh, guys, just give me 1 second. So it's not possible, guys. Earlier what happened is, earlier we used to select regions here itself, but the thing is this, I could not able to select any regions here. So again I have to switch to Sydney. Okay, currently where I'm in Asia Pacific, Sydney. Okay, now I will create Sydney. (190624) AWS DevOps. What is this? Replication. Something, anything, name like this. So ACL enabled, and go to all public. I have to acknowledge this. No need any versioning now. So far I don't want anything. Create bucket. Guys, I went into this region and I have created a one bucket. Again I'll go back to this my region, Mumbai. Okay. 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 See this, guys. Can you see this? You can see, if you create the bucket in Sydney itself, you can able to see all bucket at one place, because it is a global, means all, you can see all the bucket at one place. But the thing is, here it is not showing any global, but earlier it is directly, if you create any bucket, if you enter into the bucket, it used to show the name global, but it is completely changed. Okay, so now, okay, we can see the buckets, our buckets at one place, right? So now what I have to do is, I have to go into Mumbai. In this Mumbai, my bucket is there. I have to go to actions and copy, and I have to go destination. See, destination, which is the destination? Browse
Sydney bucket, sir.
Yeah, so I have to browse. So I want to go into my destination. So that is the reason I have to go the location, exactly location. So you click on browser S3, and here your buckets. What are the, see, you have to click on this. Your location you have to select and choose your destination. Okay, then after copy, right? See this, guys. See, one point is actually here. If you want to copy from one place to another place, your first locations, all versions should be the same. So this is, it is, we are recommending that you enable bucket versioning to help protect against unintentionality, overwriting, deleting objects, something. So it is recommending. So let's do this. Okay, next, copy. Successfully copied. Now what we have to do, let's physically, we'll go into Sydney. Where is Sydney? Here. I'll go Sydney. Did I forget to mention? Let's see. So this is a Sydney. I have to, yeah, can you see this, guys?
Yes, sir.
So whatever manually I have copied from one region to another region, but if you can see the file in the Sydney location, in the sense you are in completely different region. So but still you copied the file, and then you, that files, the same file you can able to see in the Sydney location. You got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, so far we did manual process. And one more thing, another point, I'll go back to my region. Where is my region? Mumbai. So I have to, what is this? Bucket is Sydney. Okay, that's okay. It is switching, no problem. It is a bit slow. Okay, my buckets, guys, I want to what till now what we have done is, till now we have done copied. I just want to go inside. Okay, so before going to this, I just would like to do one more thing. Just go back to the Sydney bucket. Here I just want to, excuse me, this one I want to delete this, guys, because I want to move. So let me check. Okay, again two files will be there, so delete this file. Delete objects. Okay, I want to go back to the again Mumbai, and I have to go buckets. This is my Mumbai. This file, what earlier we have copied the file, I mean object. I'm sorry guys, sometimes I'm using file. This is not file, this is completely object. Okay, now we have to move our object to the respected location. Which location? Sydney. Same, browse S3 and see this, guys. You have to click on this S3 buckets. So click on this and your destination you have to choose, and choose your destination, and after that just simply move. See this, simply click on move. Now where I have to go? Let me physically go directly to the, where is my location? My Sydney. I'm in Sydney, so I'll go back to the buckets. Okay, here the Sydney, just to open in front of you guys. I have deleted earlier file, but after deleting that I have done move, right? Object I have moved from one location to another location, from Mumbai to Sydney. So here you can observe the thing. If you copy something, you can present your data in your location, I mean Mumbai. That also the same object also will be copied into destination location. But when it comes to this move, so if you delete, I mean if you move some object, your whatever the location, current region, current location, that entire data will be moved to destination location. Let me cross check. We'll check again. Mumbai. Okay, so buckets. So for better visual, I am just going here also, guys. I can also go from here itself. Just I want to show properly, so that's why I am going from here. Here also I can check. See Mumbai, guys. Is there any objects now? No objects, because what is the difference? Copied in the sense you are just copying the file from one region to another region, but move in the sense it's kind of cut, entirely moving your data from one region to another region. That's it, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So now I will show you again here. This is the thing, this is the part we have done till now, in the sense manually we have done this part. So now what we have to do is, we have to do automation, the file automation. If you keep one file, automatically it should be replicable in respected region, in required region. Okay, let me check again. Let me go to the buckets. Okay, here I will also delete the same file, whatever the file, I mean object is there. Excuse me guys, it is not file. I don't know, my mind continuously is getting like this. Okay, delete the object, sorry, delete object, go to buckets. I have to go back to buckets. Okay, see Mumbai, see this Mumbai. Okay, now again I will also do it again here. Delete. See, this is Mumbai. this is, you can choose any place, guys. We can say any Sydney. Okay, this is Mumbai, and this is Sydney. Okay, so we have to copy one object from here to here, okay, by using automation. Okay, automation in the sense, whatever you keep in the Mumbai, that automatically replicable in the Sydney bucket. In previous, I have manually copied and moved object step by step. Okay, but here in this case, whatever the case is there, current automation case, so it will be different. Okay, so in the sense, if you keep any object, definitely automatically it will go. So how, let's see how it will be. Okay, so you have to enable, so for this process we have to do one important step. So we have to follow some rules. Okay, we have to follow the rules. So for automation, in the sense, we have to set up, right? So we have to set up something, then only it will be do automatic itself. So what are the rules are there? First rule, you have to enable replication rule. Okay, in source bucket, while giving rule, destination must select Sydney or anything. Okay, like that. See, if you want to enable replication rule, source bucket. Okay, so while giving rule, destination must be selected. That is one rule. Second rule is, it is only Mumbai to Sydney. In the sense, here to here means this is one way. Okay, this is only one way communication. Next, if you create or upload any object, that will be copied in other destination. For example, if it is in Sydney, but if you delete the object in Mumbai, it won't get deleted in Sydney. You understood this point? If you create or upload any object, that will be copied. Okay, copied one location to another location, from here to here. Okay, but if you delete this object, okay, it will not be deleted here. Hope you understood. Okay, let's see how. First we'll create rule in source bucket. We have to create rule, in the sense, first we have to create the object. So this is, guys, this is source bucket, this is destination bucket, this is source bucket. Let's open. First, in this we have to create the first rule. Rules where we have in management. See, rules are there here. Go to the replication rule, create replication rule. Okay, we have to give some name. What is the name? My DevOps rule, like that. We can keep anything. My DevOps rule. Sorry, is it will take or not? I'm sorry, it is taking, no problem. Okay, next, select source bucket. What is this? Status, whatever you rule, enabled or disabled when created. Okay, enable. See this, guys, currently we are in Asia Pacific, Mumbai. See this, choose rule scope, limit the scope if this file using one or more files. Guys, this is for limitation. For example, if you consider in Linux also we do have a dot, okay, dot file or star so and so file name or folder name, something like that. So if you want to specifically mention one file, you have to choose this one, or else you can, if you want all objects, or for all objects, you have to choose this one. Specific object you have to see. So one or more files you have to select. like that. Okay, next. So I want all objects, I'll keep this. Okay, and the destination, what is the destination? See, another two options are there. Choose your bucket in your account. If it is your account, then you can choose this. If it is another account, for example, Sham is there. Sham, you have a ID, right? Account ID. The same account ID I have to give. If I give your account ID here, so then it will be replicable to your account. Okay, your account is, my account is different. Root might be same. We are in same root, but I have created IAM role for you and I have given everything separate for you. So if I mention your account ID and Sham, not only Sham, Yashwant, your account ID also. If I give your
Yes, sir.
account ID, definitely my file definitely will copy it into your bucket. Okay, my object will copy into your exactly your destination. In the sense your bucket. Okay, so I will choose mine. It is in mine only. So browse S3. What is the destination? Choose path. Yeah, choose path. Guys, these roles I will explain later actually. After this topic, we'll talk about these roles. IAM roles, right? I think you know a little bit idea about Sham, because I have created one AWS account for you. So currently, whatever you are using, I have done just because of IAM role only. Just because of this feature, you could be able to use. Okay, you are using currently just because of this. We both are using just because of IAM rules. Okay, that's it.
Yes,
We
sir.
will discuss it later. Okay, after this S3 bucket, we'll talk about IAM completely. Okay, how to create IAM roles. In IAM roles, what are the topics we have? For example, I'll just simply cover, like, IAM roles. We have like users creation, next groups creation. Okay, next roles creation. Okay, next permissions and policies, something related. Okay, permissions and policies, what are the policies we have to give? Okay, so these things, whatever the topics are there, every topic I'll cover in I while I'm teaching IAM rules. Okay, okay, that's fine. Next, so currently I don't have any IAM. Okay, next, what is this? Encryption also not needed now. Destination storage class, after this next topic, this will be, I will explain that time. Next, in the sense, after this only. Okay, after automation I will go to this topic at that time, that will be available. Okay, next, directly save. What is this? See this, guys, earlier I have already mentioned, whenever from one destination to another destination, if you want to copy or move, or while you are doing automation also, you have to enable the bucket versioning. Both should be in same version. So enable bucket version. So you got it. So yeah, here actually I don't have any roles. I don't have any specific user roles, group rules. Okay, and also I don't have any policies. Okay, user policies, group policies. So that's the reason I'll keep create new role. Okay, so thereafter save. What is this? Replicate existing objects. You can enable one time batch operations job from replication. No need existing years. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so rule got created. What is this? Here you see status enabled, destination, all the things you can see here. What are the destination, region, and priorities? It's not required. Scope, entire bucket, storage class, replication owner, who is replication, and replication time control. all things, everything, whatever the things are there, everything you can see here itself. Okay, after creating rule, so let me check. Yeah, here you can see replication configuration successfully updated. Got? So which means successfully created replication rule. So check both buckets only. Let's go back. Buckets. So bucket, I don't have any object. In this bucket, I don't have, let me check. 1 second. It's not. Yeah, I don't have any object. So now I will upload one file in my source destination. Source in the sense Mumbai. So I'm going to upload one object here. Add files. Where is that? Anything? What I have uploaded earlier? Okay, I'm going to take big file. So what is this? Almost this much size. I'll take this. Something, anything. Don't look at this. Just simply permissions. It's your wish. Okay. It's according to requirement, guys. This is not mandatory. It's completely according to the requirement. Okay, upload. Guys, it's uploading. See. See, what is the rule, guys? Guys, please respond here. What is our rule? What we have created rule?
Replication rule, sir.
So now where I have uploaded this file?
Mumbai bucket, sir.
So
Mumbai.
now where we have to check?
Sydney, sir.
Shall we? Oh no, I didn't get. Why? Why, guys?
Sir, we are in Mumbai only, sir.
Currently?
Bucket. The location is Sydney, sir, but in Mumbai bucket.
You have to change to Sydney bucket, sir. Here.
Where?
Go back once.
The above, they're showing it are in Mumbai.
1 second. So
Yeah, sir. Here.
okay, yes. I have to go back to the Mumbai. Again, I'll check. Let us cross check. So this is Mumbai. I will take a new tab. We should not do everything. Okay, see this, guys. Nothing. Just we have uploaded. Nothing we did. See this. Now I would like to copy, right, guys?
Sir, it should be automatically copied, no, sir, to the Sydney.
So copy in the sense, did we mention that while we are creating? Let me,
Sir.
yes, let me check again. Yeah, now it is replicable. It is taking bit time, guys. That's it. Just refreshed. Okay. See where I am? In Sydney.
Sydney, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is my source destination, Mumbai. My next destination path is Sydney.
Sydney.
Source is Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Where I have copied from here and there. So same like that, move also. Okay, hope you understood. There are options, move, copy, like this. Okay. So let's close. We'll talk about next tier storage or classes. So in theoretical class, while I am explaining about S3, so I mentioned about boxes, something like classes, tiering about classes and all. I have taken earlier one example, like AC, one tier AC, two tier AC, three tier AC. After this sleeper and general, I have given one example, right, guys? The same way, that is about only tier storage or classes related. So now we'll discuss about this. So when you create the bucket, while creating itself, we have to choose the classes. See, earlier while I am creating the rules, I told you, I shown you, right? Rules. Okay. Properties. See this, guys. Intelligent tiering. Okay, archive configuration. So thus this we have to do. So what is the purpose of it? Exactly, what is the purpose of it? Let me delete this. Okay, I explained again, and I'll do again and again also. This is actually Virginia, for example. Virginia means where it is, guys? Virginia, where it is? USA.
US.
USA. Okay, this is USA. So where I am in, my location is in Mumbai. If I directly upload one file, it has, so it will reach, but it will take a time. Definitely it will take a time. Okay, so directly by using my home internet, I'm connecting with S3. Okay, US some so and so destination, in the sense data center. Okay, USA data center. It will take a time. Definitely there will be a difference. Definitely there will be a latency. Okay, but if you keep something which is called as end users, okay, end or some other name, guys, tell me. Endpoints. Endpoints. Okay, this is endpoint which is given by AWS. This endpoints is given by AWS, means it is established by AWS itself. These endpoints will be connected with the S3. It means what is this? Data center. It is directly connected with the data center, North Virginia. Okay, so where I am currently, I am in Mumbai. So I want to upload my file without using this. It is taking too much time, and also that is called as latency, right? So once it comes to here, if I upload file by using this, okay, by using this endpoints, so what will happen, guys? What will happen? It will be upload very much fast. Okay, this
Yes,
is
sir.
called as acceleration. This is simply, I just explained you for remembering, nothing else. Okay, this thing actually I explained you. What is that I explained earlier? First one is classes. Okay, after that transfer acceleration. So this topic is comes under transfer acceleration. This is called as transfer acceleration. So we'll talk about today, this class, in this class we'll talk about classes and transfer acceleration. I will physically show, I'll show you how transfer acceleration is working. So if you upload directly file into the S3, how it is responding. If you go through this endpoints, how it is responding. We'll talk about this. Okay, so let's close this. So before the classes, before the transfer acceleration, let's talk about this intelligent tiering. What is intelligent tiering? Intelligent tiering is actually have classes in S3. So I already mentioned earlier class. One example is called some train so and so. There we do have a lot of classes. One is single tier AC. Next one is two tier AC. Next one is three tier AC. After that sleeper, three tier AC. After that sleeper. Then after general, something like this we do have, right? So the class one first 1A, one for single tier AC in the sense standard. In our perspective, we have to compare each other. Okay, standard. Okay, so two tier in the sense standard IA. Okay, three tier AC in the sense it's kind of intelligent tiering. Okay, sleeper in the sense it's kind of a glacier. Okay, glacier is there. Okay, it is something different. Okay, I did not remember. Okay, that's fine. So we'll go practically also. For example, guys, if you choose this standard, this cost is very much high. Okay, cost is too much high. If you choose this last one like Glacier things, it is cost is bit low. Okay, so based on your data, your object, your bucket, okay, based on your data the cost will varies. You understood, guys? This is what we gonna see. For example, if you keep this, if you keep in standard, so it will be in 30 days. Okay, after 30 days it will move into standard IA. Standard IA is also one kind of class. Okay, so after 30 days it will move here, then after 30 days it will move to here. Next after 30 days it will move to here Glacier. After 30 days it will be expire. See this, guys, data is moving from one place to another place is based on the classes. Okay, here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. The classes are changing one by one. How? By using these standards. Okay, so based on the requirement we are keeping the we are making it automate. So we are keeping the location. So after, if it is not required, lastly if that maybe after 120 days, okay, after 240 days, okay, it is not required in the sense this file will be expired, it will not come again. So this is the case. For this reason we have intelligent tiering concept. Okay, let's go practically. Okay, I'll go to the buckets. So create new bucket. Already it is bucket is there. So we don't have anything in this, right? Okay. I have to change bucket name. It's okay, no problem. I'll show practically. I want to delete this because, guys, see, if I want to change the rename, I can rename it. If you do continuously more times, if you see more times, then what will happen is it will be stored in your mind. So whenever you guys, I'm also recommending you, so you have to do more times. Okay, S3 bucket concept is very much important, guys. We mostly, so after EC2, okay, after VPC, after EC2, this is the one of the highest using concept, this one. Because everything need to be stored in this storage, right? So our product should be keep in storage. So generally your files, where you keep, guys? You'll keep your files in your laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Same like that, companies definitely we need to keep their data in somewhere that should be accessible, that should be easy. So for example, if you are using AWS services, AWS accounts in the sense, definitely you have to use AWS service itself to store something, because it is easy access and it is easy integration, for easy integration. Okay, let me go to S3. S3. Sydney, delete. Delete. delete bucket. After that, yes, create bucket, name anything random, something like class DevOps AWS, anything simple. I just would like to keep like this. ACL enable. Okay, preference, this should be public. That's your wish, guys. I'm just keeping it as a public. Okay, bucket versioning not required. And just I don't want anything. Just simply creating bucket, nothing. Okay, create bucket. It's created. Okay, go to inside the bucket. Okay, what is that? So we have to keep something here, right? So okay, okay, fine. I think it's almost, yeah. Let's go back to bucket. No. So bucket prop. Where is bucket? Yeah, properties. Where we have to go? Yes, intelligent tiring. Okay. So if you choose intelligent tiring, if automatically move to the other location. Okay. So create configuration. One second. Go to properties. See this, guys. Actually, see S3 standard, S3 intelligent tiring, S3 express one zone, S3 standard IA, S3 one zone IA. Guys, this actually earlier we have only S3 one zone IA, no standard IA. It is new one. Okay. Earlier we have standard one. Okay. So S3 intelligent tiring, it is there. After that one zone is there, but this is new one. And Glacier, this is in 3 glaciers, not there, only one glacier. Okay. So next to S3 outpost. Okay, performance chart. This is not. So S3 outputs. These are actually, what are the classes? These are all classes actually. So based on your requirement, we have to keep your data so and so location. If you keep in that, so according to that, it will be chargeable. Okay. Also one place to another place, another place to another place, from here to here to it will move. Based on your keeping minimum 30 days we have to keep. After 30 days your wish to keep where, when, how many days if you want to keep here, you can keep. After that you have to keep, but minimum 30 days you have to keep. But whenever you changes, definitely automatically it will double the days. One second, guys, I'm having water. Okay. Okay, so if you check other buckets, see, So previously whatever we created, guys, previously whatever we created, if you check other buckets which we have already previously created, so those are actually by default we do have a standards. Let me go back to the buckets. See here, this bucket, what it is a standard. One second, see this, guys, it is a default, it is getting standard. Okay, so but if you choose, it will be changed here. If for example if you taken uh, standard IA, it will replicable here. If you take Glacier, it will be replicable here. Okay, guys, this is very much important topic, because on-premise to cloud migration, you have to use this only. Max people will try to migrating from one place to another place, one region to another region, from on-premise to cloud. These things are very much important topic. So nowadays companies are migrating from on-premise to cloud. Okay, so this is very much important topic. So that's the reason you have to do more practice on this. Okay, you have to learn how to practice. So okay, how to create objects, how to move from one region to another region, so one location to another location. So you should have an idea about these standards also, classes also. What is standard, what is a standard IA, what is Glacier, what is Glacier Express. So these things you have to be more practice, then only it will be in your mind. When interviewer asks, definitely it will get into your mind. You understood? So you have to do more practice. This migration also you have to learn. Okay, so on this basis, actually based on this standards and all this, on this basis the topics are going to discuss about one other topic, important topic is there, is called LCM. LCM. What is LCM? Did you heard about this, guys?
In mathematics, we also.
No, that is least common factor. That is not that LCM. This is different LCM. Okay, this is actually life cycle management. You already seen this, guys. Don't say. Last time I have covered this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes,
means
sir.
life cycle, in the sense human life cycle also I have mentioned. Okay, life cycle management. Okay, this is life cycle management. LCM in the sense life cycle management. So for every product, say there will be life cycle. Example, already I mentioned, I have taken this classes. So for example, if it is a standard IA, Glacier, something, so your object is here. This object, after a few days it will come here, after a few days it will come here, after a few days it will come here, after that your object will expire, or it will delete. So this topic we will going to cover here with practically, you see. Okay, next, so if you upload an object, that will be migrate one place to another place based on importance and requirement, certain number of days. Okay, so okay, let me go to practical buckets. This is empty bucket, right? Oh, that's okay, no problem. Go to, we have to create the rules here. Where is the rule management only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The rules, replication rules. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, here it is only. I could not able to see life cycle rule. Okay, see life cycle rule. Earlier, do you remember this, guys? Earlier we have created
Yes, sir.
rule for what?
Replication
For
rules.
copy. Yeah, replication rules we have created for automation purpose. Okay, this rule is for the classes, from one place to another place, in the sense one standard to another standard, one class to another class. it will automatically move after 30 days after specific time period. If you keep minimum 30 days, so after that next few 30 days it will move like that. So let's create the rule first. Create life cycle rule. Okay, what is the name? You can keep my life cycle rule. My life cycle rule. Anything, yes, keep like this, that's it, no problem. Okay, apply all objects, acknowledge it. Guys, you see here life cycle rule actions. See this, one is actually move current version of object between storage classes. Okay, storage classes to class between, it will move in the sense, guys, see here one object is there, in this one object, in this class one object, this is one class. So this object is between only, if you want to keep in between these two only, it will move from here to here, here to here, but it will not delete. One case. Another case, move non-current versions of object between storage class. Okay, move, okay, move non-current objects, whatever non-current objects will be there, that will move, okay, from one place to another place. Next to expire current versions of objects. For example, maybe current version is there, so it is reached till here, so after reaching so and so place, so I'll keep that rule. So after this reaching this place, non-current versions will be expire, like that. Next, after if you want to keep permanently delete, you can keep rule permanently delete. Delete expired objects. One second, it is not, I can't see. Yeah, delete expired object, delete markers, we can keep like this based on requirement, guys, but you have to understand. Okay,
Sir, what is current and non-current version, sir? Means
this current versions, actually we will mention the versions, right? Okay, if you mention version, it is current version. If it not mention current version, definitely it is non-current version. You mentioned versions, right?
yes, sir, yes, sir. Like
So
V1, V2.
yeah, if you mention version, it will be current version, it will be. If you don't mention that non-current version, automatically it will comes into this. Okay, so let us create. Okay, so I'll select this one. Okay, I'll also select this one. Anything, guys, your wish. I want to take this. I will also take this, no problem. However, we are not, it will not be. See this, guys, number of days, not time, number of days. For example, if I keep 30, okay, see, a minimum of 30 days is required before transitioning standard IA. Guys, this, see this, if you keep 30 days is minimum to transfer from here to here. Okay, for if you take transferred standard IA from here to next thing, if you want to move, 30 days it will take. Okay, but minimum how many days? 30 days. If I want to keep 3 days, let's see how. It doesn't take, while you are saving it, it doesn't accept. It is already, it is showing, right? The captions it is showing 30 days is required. I'll keep 30 here. Okay, next thing is after standard IA, intelligent tiering, it is moving. How many days? Your wish, guys. How many? Tell me. 10 days? No, 30 days. Above 30, you given actual 30 days, right? So you have to give above 30. 35 it is taking. So I'll keep 30 also, 30 only. Okay, next one. where it is moving to automatically one zone IA. How many days? I'll keep 30, but above 30 you can give anything. Okay, so next, Glacier flexible retrieval. See this guys, transitioning small objects to Glacier flexible retrieval or Glacier deep archive will incur per object cost. Okay, so small objects, if you keep small objects, cost effective. If you keep more objects, it will be cost. So you will be charged for each object you transition to S3 Glacier flexible. For every object it will be chargeable for if you keep here. Okay, a fixed amount of storage is also added. Each object accommodate metadata for managing the object, which is increases storage cost. You understood? So you have to, while you are doing migration for your clients, you should be aware of these things. You have to do POC before going to committing anything. You have to do POC. You have to do analyze what is the standard, which one is good one, which is suitable according to their requirement. Maybe if it is 5 TB, maybe 50 TB, maybe if it 100 TB, if you want to transfer your data, okay, migrating, so that also will be considered. So you have to do more analysis. Okay, see this guys. So that's it. I have selected this one, non-current versions, no need, we'll keep like this. Expire current versions. So this is all based on requirement guys. Okay, one second guys, I'm checking. See this guys, how many days I want to keep? 20 days of object to become non-current. Transition, how many days? A value integer value is required. What? That's okay, integer only, but days after objects become non-current. Let's see, I'll keep 45 2. It's not taking minimum 30 days. Okay, any version, how many versions if you want to keep, you can keep here. Can be up to 100 versions, you can keep anything. So after object creation, enter amount of days guys. As I mentioned earlier, first one is 30. Okay, after 30 days, after 30 days another it will move from here to another here to here 30. Okay, I'll show you guys. See, sorry, this is standard, this is standard IA, this is Glacier or anything intelligent tiring. Okay, so this is standard. What is this here? This is standard. Okay, this is standard IA. Okay, this is intelligent tire. Okay, and this one Glacier for suppose. Okay, how many from here to here, how many days? 30, right? From here to here 30 I kept, right? From here to here how many I kept? 30 days, right? For every each class we have 30 days, but here to here how many days guys? 60,
60.
right? Okay, from here to here, sorry, 30 only. From here to here 90 days.
90.
If next class is there, next class is there, from here to here 120 days. Okay, total I'm talking. You have chosen, if you choose 1 2 3 4 5 classes, 5 into 30, 1 30 30 30 how many? The 60 90, next to here to here also 30. 4 only, right? In between only you have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 120, right? So like that, how many days we have mentioned totally?
120 days.
How many we have mentioned, guys? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Glacier I did not mention. 30. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 120 I have to mention, right? That's it. See here, you can see the transition. Review transition. First day is 0. After 30, 30, 30, 30. Total 120 day. 120 day object will expire. Guys, see this. So like that you have to keep. But in between also you can keep. If you don't want to expire, I have already actually enabled expire. But if you don't mention expire, it doesn't show. Okay, it will be in between this only. Okay, non-current object. How
Sir,
many days?
sir,
Once.
can we skip between classes?
Can we?
Skip the classes, sir. Between different classes are there, right?
Yeah. This is actually requirement, Sham.
Okay, okay, sir.
This is completely requirement. This is not mandatory. If
Yes.
something, for example, that's why I'm telling you one example. One company is there continuously getting data. That data he don't want to keep. Okay, certain time he will keep the data here. After, for example, after 2 months he want to keep data here. After 3 months, after 6 months, he don't want data. Only few days, only 30 days or 50 days for review, something like that. You want to check the data, so that unnecessary data they can keep here. Okay, so if you don't want, another example also I'll tell you. My I have a lot of applications, so out of which one application is getting lot of data. I don't want to data to delete immediately. I want to delete the data in particular time period. So in such case you can use this. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, such cases you have to use this. So create rule. What is the issue? The integer value, intelligent tiering must be 30, more than value of I. Okay, 30 only, right? It is more than that, more than, right? 60.
No, sir.
I am adding this like this. Understood. 90, 120. Yeah, it will be acceptable. Now, how much it will be? 240. Total number of days. Can you calculate this, guys? 90, 30, 90, 90, 90, 180. 180 plus 120. Sorry.
$300, sir.
Yes, I'll check once. I'll keep here. Okay, let's create role. Yeah, guys, we should not keep. It should be next standard class. Next class should be above, bit extra. In the sense, above to the first one. So rule got created. Okay. See, I'll refresh here. If you see the object buckets, guys, where we have done that? Mumbai or Sydney?
Here only, sir. Here only.
Okay, let me check again. Sydney we have done. Okay. Yes, it is applicable. See here, it is enabled. Okay, so then it is clearly showing review transition. So it is applicable, guys. So after 300 days, object will expire. Okay, so after 30 days, it will move here from here to here. Okay, here object will move to standard IA. So after 30 days, and in the sense total 60, it will move to the intelligent tiering, but cost will changes, guys. From here the cost is high, it will less cost and less security. It will go again down in the sense less cost and less security, like this. Okay, it will move in the sense here Glacier, so it will be very less security. We don't have that much security. So after 300 days, see, delete, it will be deleted or expired. Understood? This is what about classes. You understood, guys? Hope you
Yes,
understood.
sir.
Actually, I have explained very much time for this to understand you, to make you understand. And if you have still doubts also, so while you are creating, you can understand. Okay, maybe you don't know the real time scenario. That's the reason you are getting somewhat bored, or you are getting something like confusion. So it will be very much useful in the companies. Okay. Okay, so next we'll go for transfer acceleration, guys. I explained you already. uh, Transfer acceleration, we'll talk about transfer acceleration. So this is like North Virginia, so this is like Mumbai, so here it's somewhere Bangalore. Okay, it is Bangalore. Okay, and this is Mumbai, S3 Bucket. Okay, so in Bangalore it is actually, what is this?
Endpoint or edge
Endpoint.
location.
Endpoint or,
Edge location.
yes, this is endpoint. So for India, one endpoint is there. That is Bangalore. See, this guy is not real time. I'm telling just for example I have taken. Okay, one endpoint is there for India. That is Bangalore. Okay, so this is where I am currently. I'm in Mumbai. I'm in Mumbai. So my objects are in Mumbai. So I want to upload my objects from here to here. In the sense, directly I'm uploading. Some latency will be, definitely latency will be there. It is very slow as compared to this. Here it is the connection in between S3 and Bangalore with AWS. AWS. This speed is very much high. For example, if I close this, okay, if I want to enable from Mumbai to, sorry, if I want to enable the rule, okay, acceleration rule, so what will happen is it will bypass from Mumbai to Bangalore. Here the thing is this, this is the matter about Mumbai to Bangalore, endpoint to source location only. You don't worry about all these things, it will taken care by AWS. Okay, so it will be my object will I can upload my object from here to here, so automatically it will reach within fraction of seconds. Okay, so that is the concept. Okay, I want this example again, that's why I want to keep proper. That's it. Okay, so then I'll enable transfer acceleration to avoid latency. So enable transfer acceleration, how guys, please navigate me. So I've shown you right earlier while while I'm telling about rules.
Yes, sir.
So we'll take one another location, maybe if it is Singapore, if you want to take, or Bangalore is not there, huh? Not there.
No.
No, sir.
Not there. So sad. That's okay. No problem. We'll take Singapore. Take Singapore location. And here create a bucket. Arey, Singapore something is there, man.
No, sir. It is
No, sir. It's
showing.
the same bucket we have created in Sydney.
Oh, it is Sydney. So thanks. You are very much clear, guys. I appreciate you. Okay, name. Tell me something. Name. My class. Singapore. Anything here. You can keep like that. Okay. Enable ACL. Something public. Acknowledge it. Okay. Next. Create bucket. Simply creating bucket. And is it cleared? Is it? Oh man. See this, guys? Let's see. Yeah, got created. Let me go into this bucket. Where is it? This one. Okay. Properties. Yeah, see this, guys. Transfer acceleration. Okay. Edit. Simply enable save changes. Enabled it, right? Simply I'll go back to here. I will upload some file here. There's something I'll upload some big file. Any file. I'll upload this only, no problem. Which one is? Yeah, this one is big one. This one is also big one. Okay, fine. I'll upload this. Okay. Permissions. Public. Knowledge. Acknowledge it. Okay. That done. Almost, I think so. So you'll get doubt, guys. So that's okay, you uploaded so and so edge location, you enabled so and so, but how can you something like how can we come to know that whether we are getting speed or not? Let's check that also. So let me explain here. Actually backend whatever happened, that object moved to near edge location. To edge location I have mentioned something Singapore. So without enabling transfer acceleration earlier, so now I have enabled role for Singapore. Okay. So but after enabling transfer acceleration, the speed will be increase. Means it will be through Mumbai to Mumbai through Singapore, and it is goes to North Virginia, something like this. Let's see. For example, if you go Google, see, sorry, in Google what we have AWS S3 transfer acceleration speed test. guys, see this? It's pending. It is automatical, it will take. It is pending only. Just refresh. Guys, 1 minute, I'm getting call. Speak, hold on. Just watch on this. Just watch this. So, guys, this is my internet. S3 direct upload speed. Okay, this is my internet. Okay, I will refresh it again. Hey, sorry, disturbed again. I disturbed. It will refresh again and again. See, direct is like this. Let's see acceleration speed. See, let's see, it will stop somewhere. So like this, guys, we can see the entire comparisons. If you keep Origin and San Francisco, okay, Tokyo, Sydney, Ohio, London, Paris, you can see this anywhere, whatever the location you see, whatever the location, if you upload, if you take also. So where is my location? Singapore. Guys, no object in this. See, guys, did I upload anything in this? Singapore.
No, sir.
So actually I have chosen something, right, earlier. This one, 1.9 MB.
Yes, sir, you have uploaded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check again. See, this is faster, 3% faster. So faster than my speed. So you can do the comparison like this. Actually, without acceleration, the speed will be like this. Okay, this much direct. This is direct connection. So with S3 acceleration, the speed will be this, like this. You can compare. So in the sense, if you do upload directly, the thing is this: what will happen? We do have a lot of latency from here to here, but through this, it will be fast. That's what I would like to say. Earlier also I captured one thing. I'll show you. See, I captured and kept with me. See this? Earlier also I have done myself. See, direct space 5% faster than my speed. Means it is fast only, right? Okay. See, 6%. It will be increased like this. It will increase. Definitely it will increase like that. 100%. This speed will definitely be increased. Acceleration transfer speed will be higher than this one. Direct upload. Direct upload is very much slower than this. However, whenever you compare this, definitely acceleration speed, transfer speed will be very much faster. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it, today's class. And if you have any doubts, please let me know. We'll discuss. So guys, any doubts? Okay, That's it. Next class would be maybe some small topics are there in S3, like tags, metadata, some encryption related. So this will cover and close S3. So after S3 we'll go for IAM rules. Okay, IAM rules. How to create the IAM rules. If you are as admin, if you are as a DevOps engineer, uh, if you get a chance to create IAM rules to the your users, okay, groups and policies, if you want to create the policies, okay. So in Terraform also, guys, if you get a chance to work on Terraform also, you have to work on all these things. You have to give the user rules, group policies. You have to attach the policies, EC2 policies, okay, to S3 bucket policies, okay. It is in service level, okay, object level, okay. Policies also is there. S3 bucket level policies are there, object level policies are there, user level policies are there, and group level policies are there. So we have a lot of things are there in this. If you want to learn, you can learn many things from IAM rules. IAM rules are important. So this is also important, and when you are working as a DevOps engineer, or definitely AWS engineer, definitely AWS cloud, definitely you will get chance. Definitely you will get chance to work on this IAM rules. Okay, these are all important topics. Understood? That's it, guys. That's it from my side. Let me close. So, and again, before close this topic, I would like to check with Yashwant his work. Yashwant, can you show me your work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just quick. That's it. And for tomorrow also, you have to show me these concept: transfer acceleration, classes, and replication. So whatever the replication which I have done, so it is simply, actually for explanation I'm taking this much time, but you people, it will not take that much time. You guys, you can make it fast. Okay, so do more practice on this, and I will review your work every day. That's it.
Can you not see the screen, sir?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So I created 3 buckets, sir.
Okay.
This bucket is disabled for versioning.
Mm. Okay.
This bucket.
Okay.
So HTML file. If we delete this file,
Mm.
it cannot be recovered back, sir,
Okay, fine. And if you go for versioning,
because it is disabled version control.
yeah.
We go for versioning. This is enabled for versioning, and if we delete this file,
Yeah. Okay. So how to retrieve?
it can be retrieved, sir, by deleting the delete marker. We can be retrieve that.
Okay. Permanently deleted. Yeah. So can you show me? Yes.
It is
Good.
it is
Excellent.
also recovered with the versions.
Okay.
And in the web, I have uploaded 2 files, and
Mm.
static is also enabled, sir.
Mm-hmm. Can you show me the output? Go to
Yes,
static.
sir.
Uh, click on that bucket.
Sir,
Click on the bucket. Yeah, yeah. Go to
this
HTML.
is
Object.
Object. You have to click on object. Yeah. Here permissions. Come down. Come down. Yeah, yeah. Take that and paste. Enter. Okay. You created a home page and about page, service page, contact page by using HTML, right? That sounds good. And go
yes, sir.
back again. Go back. And could you please permission, go to permissions? Same file, HTML file only. Click on HTML file. I mean object. Sorry guys. Click on object, HTML object. Go to permissions. Edit. Edit. No.
This one only, sir. File HTML file.
Yeah.
Permissions.
Permissions.
Edit.
Edit. And uncheck it. Uncheck this. Save.
Yes, sir. Uncheck.
Save. Try to access the same one.
Yes, sir. Save.
Yeah. 1 minute. Go to buckets. Go to buckets. Where you kept that one only. Open that. Come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you go back again? One step back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Click
The
it
buckets.
on. Yeah, click it on. Click it. Okay. Click on HTML. Come down. Completely come down. Completely. Come down. Yes. Okay.
That's it, sir.
That's fine. Try to access now. Why it is getting?
Sir, only public access is removed, sir.
No. Okay. Object level permissions you did not remove. Yeah, public only we have to remove. Then other files should be
No,
accessed.
sir.
Can you try again?
Yeah, it should not come, sir.
It should not come, right? Okay. So did you do it for second object or third object?
This only, sir. For this only, I have added permissions.
Okay.
I have
Yes.
denied
Yes.
permissions.
Got you. Try again with the same link. Enter. Yeah.
It's
It
Gacha is.
Yeah. Fine. That's fine. Okay.
Sir, but I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
While creating in this, we have created error, no, sir. Error file. This should be reflected, no, sir.
That should be reflected, but it's not getting. That's what it should be done actually.
Hello.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, sir.
Exactly, Yashwant.
But,
That is the reason why I have
yeah.
created actually. It is not affecting. Yesterday also I also
But
tried.
if I try to access this, it
That
is
will be
downloaded in
enabled.
some kind of same file.
That's okay. The file you will get it, but the thing actually entire what you kept two buckets, two object in one bucket, right? So can you open the same bucket?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that bucket.
Yeah.
Wait. Here actually, can you go to? No. Can you go to permissions once? Sorry, properties. Just come down. Completely come down. Entirely scroll down. Yeah. Can you able to copy this static website hosting? Static website. This URL. Yes. Try to access this. Yeah. Paste in browser. Now you will get error. Paste. Enter.
Yeah.
Forbidden. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is what you have mentioned in that, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, Yashwant and Karim.
Yeah.
Actually, the thing is this: we have to access bucket level static website link URL. Okay. If you go in individual objects, it will show that only. Yesterday also I have
Yes,
shown
sir.
only individual, but we have to use bucket level static website hosting URL. So whenever if you disable whenever if you disable the public access your main file, main HTML file, the remain file will be displayed. That is how the Google will work actually. For example, see, this is one file, this is another bucket. Okay, so from here to, so you kept some object here,
Shall I
maybe HTML.
stop?
Yeah, you can stop. You can stop. Yeah. So see this, guys. This is actually entire your AWS. You mentioned this is one index HTML file, one error HTML file, and this is your laptop. So here in this
Screen is
laptop,
not shared, sir.
It's not sure, sir.
oh,
Screen is not shared.
guys, you would have told me earlier. Okay, that's fine. I'll do it again. Okay, 1 second. Screen share. Can you see? See, I will do it here. See, see, this is your laptop. Okay, so this is entire your AWS. We created here index.html and another one is error file. In this some error content is there. In this our HTML code is there. Okay, so the thing is, yesterday I accessed this individually, this object, HTML object also I accessed individually. So whenever you copy your object here, okay, in this, okay, error and HTML and error, that should be match. Okay, so here bucket level, whatever you kept all these files in one bucket. In this bucket you will get one URL. This URL you need to access. Okay, this URL you have to access here. So if you access this individual, it will show individual only. If you access this error also, it will show here itself. So whatever the static website URL is there, that static website URL you have to access and you have to share with your customers. Okay, whenever I publicly denied, okay, publicly disabled this, sorry, okay, whenever I publicly disable this HTML file, so then this whatever the error file, that will be shown into this public. So maybe some maintenance issue, some error files issue, some internal issue, you can keep anything whatever you want, so that will be displayed in this browser. Hope you got it. Okay, that's it guys. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yes.
fine. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for joining. Karim, I hope you understood. Sham and Yashwant, I hope you understood today's class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and today's whatever we have created, replication, transfer acceleration, and another was classes. I will review tomorrow. Okay, make it ready. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.